Respect begets respect. Honor begets honor. If you want us to sink down, to go down, we can really roll down with you. But we chose to remain high because we want to give Kenya a name and respect is deserved. But if you invite us to that conversation of body shaming, we are very good at that. And we are very ready and available to come roll with you in that dirt. However, we will not allow you to roll with our deputy president. Our deputy president is a respected man, is a reputable man, like you are. For heaven's sake, let us discuss policies, let us discuss ideas, let us discuss agenda that can perfect and make the lives of Kenyans better, instead of discussing body shaming and discussing someone's physique or someone's appearance. Because we are all made in the image of God. We all look in the image of God. No matter how you think someone doesn't look good, that person is still the image of God. And when you see your neighbor, your friend, you are seeing the image of God. Mr. Odinga, you are used to one tactic. 2013-2022, you used to tell us Uhuru will have been a good man, but the only problem is the Deputy President, William Ruto, who is a bad man. And we thought maybe William was maybe you had some reason to that. But when William Ruto became president, you started the same that William is a good man, it is Gachagua who is not a good man. So it seemed your agenda is to belittle and to create rift and to demean those who are not in a position that you want to negotiate to. And your biggest challenge is that you want to negotiate with the President of the Republic of Kenya, but maybe some tokens of some sort of position or some sort of nusumkate, but in your mind you think the Deputy President is an impediment to your own approach and to your own stomach interest. We want to tell you, Raila Amolo Odinga, bring issues that are national, we will support. There's a team sitting at Bomas, we really support them so that you give ideas that can make this country a better nation. If you want to support this nation, support through ideas, not supporting it through blackmail to get your personal means. But as it is, you are a predictable politician, very selfish, very greedy, but you speak national, but deep down you want your personal interest. We will still allow you to do that because we know 2027 we will defeat you. 2032 we'll still probably do the same. Maybe until 2042 that some of us will come and retire you completely. You go home and you forget about politics. I am Joy. Sasa, I am Joy.